possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 385 has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Albert, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Hart, Raven, Stevens, Towns, and White, and the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cherokee, Clay, Cleveland, Davie, Gaston, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Ardell, Jackson, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Mitchell. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in western North Carolina until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Greenville, Tennessee to 14 miles southeast of Newport, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marshall, Mars Hill, Hot Springs, Faust, Allenstown, Walnut, Wolf Ridge, Spring Creek, Max Patch, and Luck. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Madison, North Carolina. The National